Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. In the past I've done some videos on driveway maintenance and grading. Today I want to talk about what causes washboarding. Washboarding can be caused by how the vehicles travel on the driveway or how the tractor and implement are operated while the driveway is being repaired and maintained. Pay close attention to the scraper blade in the videos with the tractor. These are going to be some short clips with the tractor because I didn't want to tear up a bunch of the driveway, but I think it's enough for you to get the idea of what's happening.
I'm showing improper top link adjustment. You can see as I go along the blade is jumping across the ground creating a washboard effect. As I come to a stop you can look behind the tractor now and see bare dirt and gravel, bare dirt and gravel where it created a washboard. Now I'm showing too fast of travel speed. You can see the blade jumping across the ground very badly. And again, the area the blade went over, we have bare dirt and stone, bare dirt and stone across the whole area.
Another cause of washboarding is too light of an implement. I don't have a way to demonstrate it, but an example is this blade here is a Woods RB60, so it's a 5-foot blade. This blade was also available in a 84-inch or 7-foot version. Between the 5-foot and the 7-foot blade was the mold board on the blade. Everything else was the same. So if you take how many pounds the blade weighs and divide that by the width, you'll see the pounds per foot of the blade is significantly less. The light implement is more susceptible to jumping and creating washboards. An area like this is going to be susceptible to washboarding for a couple of reasons. The first reason is this is a hill, so as vehicles come up the driveway, you're going to get up in here somewhere. If they have an automatic transmission, the transmission is going to downshift, and that's going to cause the vehicle to kick up the gravel a little bit, starting the washboarding process. And then on the way back out, as vehicles go down, people are going to slam on the brakes somewhere in here, causing all the weight to transfer to the front wheels of the vehicle, starting the washboarding process. So now I'll cut to an example. Just in case it was hard to see in the video of me driving by, I washboarded the driveway right up through here. Then the other reason a place like this is susceptible to washboarding is because it's a turn. So as people start into the turn, they're going to slam on their brakes, again transferring all the weight to the front of the vehicle, starting the washboarding process. So hopefully now after watching this video, you'll be able to reduce or prevent washboarding on your driveway. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. If you're already subscribed, click on the bell so you'll be the first to know about my new uploads, and please share this video with your friends.